A cracked or damaged range glass cooktop can make cooking unsafe and frustrating. Uneven heating, sharp edges, and poor appearance are common problems. The good news is, replacing the glass maintop assembly can restore both safety and performance. Welcome back to HnK Parts. In this video, we're explaining the essential tips for replacing your range glass maintop the right way. First, always turn off the power. Unplug the range or switch off the circuit breaker before starting. This protects you from electrical shock. Next, handle the glass with care. Lift it evenly with both hands and place it on a flat surface. This helps prevent cracks or sudden breaks. Now, remove the old glass slowly. Keep all screws in a safe place for reinstallation. Before installing the new maintop, check all brackets and clips. Make sure nothing is bent or loose. Align the new glass top properly on the frame. Everything should sit evenly before tightening screws. Tighten screws gently. Too much pressure can damage the glass over time. Once installed, restore power and test each burner. Make sure heating is even, and the glass stays firmly in place. Replacing your range glass maintop assembly improves safety, performance, and appearance. Shop the exact part at HnK Parts, link in the description. Visit hnkparts.com for high-quality replacement parts with compatible prices and same-day shipping across the USA. Follow us on social media for daily updates. Like this video and subscribe for more easy appliance fixes. Thanks for watching.